Have you ever heard of a place where the laws of nature seem to defy everything you thought you knew? A place so unique that it challenges our understanding of how the planet works. Today, we're going to journey to one of the most extraordinary secrets of the natural world, the eerie and otherworldly door to hell in Turkmenistan. Now picture this, a massive flaming crater smack in the middle of a vast desert. At first glance, you might think it's the set of a science fiction movie, complete with scorching fire pits and dancing flames. But no, this is no Hollywood production. The door to hell, officially called the Darvaza Gas Crater, is a surreal geological phenomenon that has been burning continually for over 50 years. Let's rewind to the early 1970s, when this fiery marvel was accidentally created. Geologists were conducting routine drilling in the Karakum Desert, searching for natural gas reserves, a task that's fairly common in this region, as it's rich with underground resources. But as fate would have it, the moment they struck a large natural gas pocket, the ground beneath their equipment suddenly collapsed, leaving behind a giant sinkhole nearly 70 meters wide and 20 meters deep. But that wasn't the remarkable part yet. This sinkhole exposed a huge concentration of methane gas, which quickly started leaking into the air. Now, methane is not only a potent greenhouse gas, but also highly flammable. Fearing the environmental and safety risks the gas posed to both the nearby population and wildlife, the scientists made a drastic decision. They would ignite the gas, assuming it would burn out after a few days. Well, days turned into weeks, weeks into years, and years into decades. And here we are, more than half a century later, with the crater still roaring like an unquenchable fire pit. So you might ask, what keeps it burning? Methane gas from underground reservoirs continuously seeps into the crater, fueling the flames from within. Over time, this phenomenon earned its sinister nickname, the door to hell, because when you stand at its edge, the glow of the fire reaches deep into the night, resembling a fiery portal to the underworld. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. Despite how hostile and forbidding it looks, the door to hell has become a surprising tourist attraction. Brave visitors from around the world make the trek into the harsh Karakum Desert to witness this incredible fiery expanse. At night, the orange glow of the crater illuminates the bleak landscape, creating a mesmerizing, almost hypnotic sight. For some, it's a stark reminder of the power and unpredictability of nature. For others, it holds a mysterious allure, like staring into the soul of the earth itself. Interestingly, Turkmenistan, where the crater is located, remains a largely off-the-beaten-path destination for travelers. This Central Asian country is a land of contrasts, from the vast arid desert that surrounds you to the capital city of Ashgabat, with its gleaming marble buildings and meticulously maintained parks. The door to hell stands as a rugged symbol of the untamed side of Turkmenistan, a sharp counterpoint to its cultivated urban designs. However, not everyone shares the enthusiasm for this perpetual blaze. Environmentalists view the crater as a glaring reminder of human impact on the environment. The continual burning releases substantial amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to global emissions. In fact, in recent years, government officials in Turkmenistan have debated whether or not to extinguish the crater for good, ending this accidental fire once and for all. And this sparks an interesting debate. Should we preserve the door to hell as an awe-inspiring symbol of geological wonder, or should we snuff it out to prioritize environmental sustainability? It's a question worth pondering, and there's no simple answer. But regardless of what the future holds for the Darvaza Gas Crater, one thing is certain. It has carved out a place in the annals of geography as one of the most unique and striking landscapes on Earth. It's a reminder that our planet is full of surprises, some that we create accidentally, and others that emerge naturally. And every once in a while, we stumble upon a corner of the world that leaves us marveling at its beauty, strength, and mystery. So next time you're looking at a map, find Turkmenistan, trace your finger into the dusty heart of the Karakum Desert, and remember, the earth itself sometimes opens its doors, and what lies beneath might just set your imagination or the ground itself on fire. Would you dare to stand at the edge and peer into the flames? The door to hell awaits.